Welcome to AutoShade. It seems like you are asking about the Ford Model T and its historical significance in the automobile industry. Here's a detailed overview. Ford Model T, the car that changed the world. The Ford Model T, produced by the Ford Motor Company from 1908 to 1927, is one of the most important automobiles in history. It revolutionized transportation and manufacturing, making cars affordable for the average person. Key details of the Ford Model T. Significance and impact. 1. First mass-produced car. The Model T was the first car to be mass-produced on an assembly line, reducing costs and making cars affordable to the middle class. Before the Model T, cars were luxury items only the wealthy could afford. 2. Affordable transportation. Henry Ford's introduction of the moving assembly line in 1913 allowed cars to be produced much faster. The price dropped from $825 in 1908 to just $260 in the 1920s, making car ownership possible for millions of people. 3. Durable and easy to repair. The Model T was known for its ruggedness and reliability, making it ideal for rough roads. It was simple to repair, with interchangeable parts that could be replaced easily. 4. Revolutionized manufacturing. The assembly line used for the Model T became a standard in industrial production. It drastically reduced production time from over 12 hours per car to just 93 minutes. Ford's innovation influenced industries beyond automobiles, including electronics, appliances, and aircraft. 5. Helped create modern America. The Model T contributed to urbanization, as people could now commute to work in cities while living in the suburbs. It boosted the oil, steel, rubber, and road construction industries. The rise of car ownership led to new infrastructure, such as highways, gas stations, and motels. 6. Global influence. Ford produced the Model T in multiple countries, making it one of the first truly global vehicles. It was used in farming, military operations, and even as a makeshift tractor. Why did the Model T end production? By the late 1920s, competitors like Chevrolet and Dodge introduced more stylish, faster, and comfortable cars with better features. In 1927, Ford ended Model T production and introduced the Model A, which was more modern. Legacy of the Model T. Over 15 million Model Ts were produced, making it one of the best-selling cars in history. It was named the Car of the Century in 1999. Many vintage Model Ts still exist today and are popular among collectors. The Ford Model T transformed the automobile industry, making cars accessible to the masses and setting the stage for modern car production. It remains one of the most influential vehicles in history.